How to post Instagram stories on desktop. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. After you log into Instagram, right click anywhere. With that, different options will appear. Now you have to click on this option of inspect, click on it. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here you can find this option of dimensions, click on that drop down. Now from here you have to select the device type that you would like to view the Instagram as. You can choose any of these options. After you choose it, now what you have to do is click on this refresh icon, click on it. After you refresh this page, now you will be able to see this option of your story. With that, you will find this plus icon. Now you can tap on this plus icon, and with that you will be able to post Instagram stories from desktop. You can select any of the video or photo. So this is how you can post Instagram stories on desktop. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.